Good morning. At ETHDam, we built ROFL.Dam. This stands for Runtime Offchain Function Logic Decentralized Authenticated Messaging. It's a messaging tool that lives inside a ROFL container. We use Nostr, a protocol on Bitcoin, to store the messages in a decentralized manner. And we host our Nostr relays on multiple ROFL containers to keep our group chats private. Because the idea is we have token-gated group chats. So let's go through the flow to create a new group. So here we can give it a quick name, a description, and we need to set a price that people need to pay. So when we create a group, also an NFT collection is created. And when people want to join the group, they need to buy an NFT from this collection to get access to the chat group. So now that the group is created, let's have a look at our chats. So I have 2 NFTs for different chats. And here we can see the different chats that I'm part of. And we can click on them and we can see some messages. And that's basically it. So this is us. We built this during ETHDam. Thank you for listening.
Can you show the demo of the chat?
So because we only got so far as getting it on Docker, since we couldn't. We also deployed it as a ROFL, but we couldn't open the API endpoint on ROFL. So we have only been trying the actual chat API locally using curl. Okay, so this isn't connected to the backend right now.
Yeah, we didn't have enough time to link it up, but you can try a chat with it.
And can you just tell me the name of your branch? So the names are pretty...
Not the botch one.
Not the botch one. The main branch.
Yeah, the main branch should have all the stuff with the latest changes in the ROFL.
And then, what might be interesting then is packages, then ROFL.
And the Nostr configuration is also here, or
within packages ROFL.
Packages ROFL.
I can have a look.
Oh, okay. I see it.
I got a bit excited. You can kind of read my mood in commit messages. I might have a bit too much ADHD sometimes with my commit messages.
That's the getting somewhere.
They're not very.
Yeah. At least I wear my heart on my sleeve.
So the chats, you said, private groups via ROFL. Is there any connection to Sapphire as well here, or it can be any chain? It can be any chain?
It can be any chain, but we set the NFT minting on Sapphire because it made most sense for us.
All right.
Yeah, the NFT that gates the chat.
Cool. Any other questions here? Yeah.
How you actually use the MongoDB or how you plan to use it in ROFL? Because
right now it's just in the API, so it just connects the user's keys, the user's private keys, to their Nostr keys, which is held within the ROFL right now.
So it's just a middleware.
Yeah, it's just a middleware to connect it to.
Okay.
So we can keep track of like a bridge between Nostr and the ROFL or Oasis.
Okay.
Yeah. Good. Or did that answer what you were thinking?
Yeah, I mean, like, as you cannot really have like a storage in ROFL, like, was wondering a bit like what MongoDB does there, but
Oh. And how does the message history? Is there a message history, or is this like?
Yes, that's why we use the Nostr. The relays store the message history.
Okay.
And they interact with each other to make sure, like, if for some reason one of the ROFLs is shut down, then the others can still share the.
Okay, and
history.
you can store a lot in ROFL. I don't know. Oh,
You can store the.
Okay, cool. Nothing.
Works.
Yeah, perfect.
We actually had that this morning. Like it was like you can run a relay using the relay memory event store, and then you can store the previous messages in there.
Besides the ports, ROFL was fine.
Yeah, for sure. It was similar to regular Docker deployment.
But would you use it for different projects?
Absolutely. Like it was very like drop in comparison to like Docker. So if you know Docker, you could kind of just like drop in and replace.
Cool. One more question. Is there any other limit to join the chat or just the buy-in? Or can you also set like private chats where only certain, where you're like pre-approving the address or something like that?
It could be, but we build it as a token gated by NFTs, so that's how our product set up. Yeah.
Okay.
But there's multiple ways you can set it up, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. I think we're good.
Yes,
Nice job.
you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.